Today we are here to discuss our business proposal of Pizza Hut going online. Firstly, we'll start with a brief description of our business. Pizza Hut Delhi is the franchise of the world's famous pizza chain selling fresh and quality Italian food worldwide. The product line will be according to Pizza Hut menu in India and maintained and packaged in their restaurant. They will offer something healthy and tasty food in time. Now we'll discuss the market competition. Pizza Hut faces stiff competition from firms like Domino's, KFC, Subway, which are providing the food items in their restaurant and online as well. The customer segment that we are targeting is the young, tech-savvy and working people and people with the middle level of disposable income. Let's have a brief look at the existing value chain and the identified new value chain. The existing value chain starts with procuring the raw material, then stocking the food items and receiving orders in the dine-in facility as well as over the telephone, and finally the delivery and payment. Now the new value chain that we have identified has a slight variation from the existing value chain, in which apart from receiving orders in the dine-in facility and telephone, we will receive orders online as well, and we can receive payments either online or at delivery. The plan effectiveness. With all our competitors going for the online ordering system, it is necessary that we adopt the same to relate to the customer better. Effectiveness of the plan depends largely on the employees, that is how well will we be able to train them and make them work for the online business, and it also depends on the success of our advertising strategy and the technical team behind the system to make the plan a success. With all the factors working well, it will lead to greater revenue generation, an increase in the customer base, and a new image generation of the brand. A brand that is keeping up with time and is customer oriented as well. Let's take a look at the analysis of current and proposed e-business plan. The current e-business is limited only to showcasing of the products being offered. This often disappoints the consumer of not being able to order and know about the prices, and thus companies losing out on potential customer base of tech-savvy people, which is increasing rapidly with the fast penetration of the technology. As per the proposed e-business plan, we plan to capture these customers by enabling the online facility with customization as the unique selling proposition. Our action plan will be as follows. Making the online ordering facility working by hiring a new team and making it work by educating employees and getting them to work in the new system. Customization of the product adds to their competitive advantage. The marketing plan is as follows. In their marketing strategy, 4.5% of the profits is given to marketing advertising fund, which include billboard advertisement, creating awareness through radio, brochure and leaflet distribution, and discount methods like 20% discount for students. The key challenges and issues of taking Pizza Hut online can be training employees to get in tune to the new working system and delivering to the optimum level, maintaining and checking the website functioning, advertising itself better than the existing firms, serving the same purpose of delivering online Italian food, hiring a new team of technical people capable of managing the new concept and delivering the performance.